Sometimes we notice when we press play on the T8 that our sequencer is lighting up along the bottom, but then disappears for a while. That means that we have 32 steps activated. If that's the case and you want to change it to 16 steps only, hold Shift, last, D sharp. It'll now say R32. I'm going to change the dial to the left until it says R16. This means that I will now have 16 steps for the rhythm. You can see the exit light is flashing, or C. I'm going to press that to get out of that menu. Now I'm back into my T8 drum machine sequencer, and I press play, and I only have 16 lights at the bottom, repeating and repeating. Give it a try.